Okay, na ako'y reminders ninyo ha. Di-remind sa ni sa mua during our meeting, teachers meeting last Saturday. Last Saturday ha. So, kadtong dili maminaw sa teacher while nag-discuss or nagsaba-saba siya while si teacher nag-discuss, pwede tangtangon ha. Pwede tangtangon. Kaya makadistorbo mo sa uban ninyong classmates which is naminaw. And then, kamo gasaba-saba, nakadistorbo ra mo. First offense is mag-interview me. Nga, warning mo. Kay sabaan mo, dili mo maminaw, nakadistorbo mo. Second, ayaw mo katingala nga gitangtang na mo, it's because wala gihapon ninyo giusab inyong habit. Sabaan lang gihapon mo, sige lang gihapon mo itabi. Nagkasinabot? Okay, so karon, let's proceed sa atong class. Ang sa inyong gigunitan? Magnetic na board. Okay. So, spelling ta.
Yes.
Okay, spelling ta karon ha.
Yeah.
Isultin ako ang word. After, i-write ninyo, then raise your no hands, your answer. Okay. Number 1. Book. Okay, very good. Very good. How about you, Katleya? Wala. So, only Katleya. Wala naka-answer. Number 2. School. Cover your answer and okay, very good. Only gihapon, Katleya, maay wrong. Okay. Number 3. Happy.
Okay, hi Mary Me.
Hello.
Okay, so you've completed the 10 times writing of the multiplication table. So Teacher LaSalle will also ask you 10 random questions for multiplication retest. Okay.
Okay, let's start. 5 times 5.
25.
6 times 3.
18.
5 times 8.
40.
6 times 7.
42.
8 times 6.
42.
6 times 6.
36.
4 times 6.
24.
7 times 3.
21.
5 times 4.
20.
3 times 3.
9.
7 times 6.
42.
7 times 9.
63.
3 times 9.
27.
So, Mary Me, sorry. Please, self-studies, yapon ka sa multiplication kay loading ang uban ng mga answers.
Okay, wrong, okay?
Na,
Okay, so naa kay mistake 1 and also na loading ka, so I'll have kuan na po retest again, then mag-write kag 10 times again ha, because lacking pa or loading ka sa multiplication sa ha, so 10 times writing as well as retest na po next time. Okay, so fighting Mary Me.
Right.
Do not be shy, do not be nervous, ha? Ayaw ka, relax lang para dili kulbaan. And with regards sa multiplication, akong advice is mag-self-study ka in a week, maybe 3 times, kay most of the time, na mga vacant time na dili mo busy, so pwede kayo nyo tunan. Okay? Okay, very good. So, fighting! Okay, bye-bye, Mary Me. Okay, Joanna, it is your turn to answer the 10 random questions for the retest. So again, Teacher LaSalle will ask you 10 random questions, okay? So please hand over your writings. Okay.
relax lang, Joanna, ha? Ask 10 random questions. 6 times 9.
54.
8 times 5.
40.
7 times 7.
49.
6 times 6.
36.
6 times 8.
48.
8 times 3.
24.
Relax lang. 5 times 5.
25.
6 times 3.
18.
8 times 4.
32.
7 times 7.
49.
Okay, you have passed the 10 random questions. That self-study gapon ha.
Okay, so as Teacher Lasal said, self-study because ang multiplication is need pa jud i-improve kay na i-loading or ma-loading ka sa pagtubag. Okay, so kanang automatic ka maka-answer much better. Okay, so fighting Joanna.
Fighting.
Okay. Okay, anyong hasi June Mark. Okay, make your voice loud. Ka-cute pa si mong tingog. Uy, ayaw, hasi yo. Cute ka, ayaw ba? Okay, so make your voice loud ha para mas madungog ang imong tingog. Okay, practice ha. Make your voice clear. Okay, so Teacher Lasal will ask 10 random questions for you because nag-retest ta. Okay? Kaya na-failed man ka sa pag-last retest. So, masigit ang-retest if na-fail sa multiplication. Okay, so start, Teacher Lasal.
Hi, Junmar. Good morning. So, I'll ask 10 random questions. First, 7 times 4.
28.
Okay, Junmar, please hand over sa imong
6 times 3.
18.
7 times 8.
56.
6 times 7.
32.
9 times 4.
36.
8 times 2.
16.
9 times 5.
35.
3 times 9.
27.
2 times 6.
12.
5 times 6.
30.
Okay, you have passed the 10 random questions.
Okay, but Junmar, please me remind you nga mag-self-study gihapon sa multiplication ha. Kay murag loading ka sa pagtubag. Okay, but congratulations kay naka-answer ka. Okay, thank you Junmar. Job well done.
So, annyeonghaseyo. So, for today, the parents are transporting sand from the outside to here near Teacher Vivian's house so that it's easy for the workers to get some sands while working. Now, simento o now. Naning kay mga bata o.
Damay nag-auma ba?
Upat ka sa bento, Loy. Upat ka sa bento.
So, the update for the work is they already have through the process and they're almost finished. Kaunti na lang.
Kaya, abo.
Lakot, tinay ko!
Kira na sa mga gamay. Nandito ka na ka sa construction site?
Makala po kayen. For paman yen. For mothers only. Mahmani eh. Commission. Condition goal.
Paligulay mga mama ba? Kani ko di malagit sa. Pagami gamay.
Di na ni pasiksikuan ni ay. Di na ni pasiksihay. Makyo lagi ta. Tanggal ko ha.
Annyeonghaseyo. So we ordered another batch of ordinary sand because the one that we ordered yesterday wasn't enough. And now we have ordered another one again. So the price of the ordinary sand is 1,200 pesos. And here's the receipt. 1,200 pesos. So we bought another 2 almagre, cost 200 pesos.
Bukay ba? Dagaan yung mga bata. Snack dyan.
To make the floor red.
Pamantoy ready ha. Dili pamanto.
It looks so nice now.
Pamantoy ready ha. Dili pamanto.
It looks so nice now.
Yung sanina kay ni blend sa background yellow color. Okay, so annyeonghaseyo kuya.
안녕하세요.
So, please introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 12살 중학교 2학년 라연입니다.
Okay, so grade 8. Okay. So you are excused yesterday. It's because
Nag-drive sigat sa kung pamang.
nag-drive kag sikat para pamawon nimo. So, kakinsa man tong sikat?
Sa papa.
Yung papa no. Yung papa di mag-drive?
Gabi rin kong drive siya. Para nakit pamang.
Ah, so every evening finish nag-drive yung papa.
Dili permanente siya.
O sometimes siya kamuhulam sa sikat. You will not ask allowance from your father? Di pa siya matag.
Ang matag siya sa hipot ko nang di ko ka-drive.
Pero if maka-drive ka, dili siya matag. Siya kay kuha ninyo no, nag-work. So it is only the father of Kuya Ryan who is the breadwinner of your family. So Sarah and I work because your mother is a housewife, which is taking good care of Ate Jane and Ate Jane's siblings. Sakto? Okay, so okay ka. How about imuhang kanang if mag-drive kag sikat kanang pila imuhang income?
Naras mga 100 kapit.
Oh, mga pila na ka hours?
Nabot og 3 hours o 4 hours na rin.
So, for example, if mag-start kag ng 8, mahuman kag mga 10, 11?
Yes.
Tugay no. And then imuhang class, what time?
Kuan. It ay 12:45.
Afternoon. It's okay because you still have rest, right? But, naiginay no? So, but if it will affect your health, you just report it to me, ha? But it's good, it's because you have the willingness. Imuharaman ka ng pagbuot. Wala ka gipagos sa mga parents. So, you have the willingness and initiative to have part-times or sidelines in order for you to have income para sa imuhang school. Okay? Very good na kuya, ha? Dili gid permi magsalig sa parents, okay? But if dili na gali madala, ay pabayay mo school, ha? So ayo jud padala nga kanang mag-drive na lang jud kag sikad always, ha? So dapat humanon sa daan ng projects, assignments. Nya, sulti lang ni teacher if dili na jud makaya nga, wala na jud pang balon, so excuse romantika. Just inform me or give information, okay? So I just have an interview to clarify everything nga it's your willingness. Sakto? Wala ka gipugos nila mama. Okay, so more naman po to kausan excuse ka. So maybe sometimes mo excuse na po ka in that reason, just let me know, okay?
Yes, sir.
Dapat. Bye-bye kuya.
Bye-bye.
So mag-drive na sad ka kagon, no? So we just finished our class 9:30. So you will go there at the skina, no? At the market and have sideline. Sige. Amping, ha? Oh, ayun na palabig ka na gingit-ngit na kaayo, okay?
Yes, sir.
Sige. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Sabi na.
So, may assignment na ko eh. Sumat. Manete, mano. On. Narato sa libro niya. Mag-essay na may teacher. Mag-essay.
Essay. Mag-essay na ay.
Ay.
You can do it. So that is the Asian map. Oh, okay. What are the 7 continents of Asian map? Africa, Asia, Singapore, Antarctica, North America, Europe.
Ay, Europe dito. Taiwan.
Who is it? Taiwan. That's country. Ay,
Religion, sir. Religion.
Africa.
Asia, Antarctica.
North America. Very good. Kunay North America na say South America. South Korea. Continent ati kani ba? Kani 7 ba?